Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pallavi and I'm here to help you transform your spaces. Today I'm going to be taking you into a journey in this beautiful commercial space. It is a dental clinic. This clinic perfectly balances functionality and a biophilic design. The commercial space had a very beautiful advantage. Now, this was a full rectangular space that we received, and the airflow and light in the space was amazing, which you will see in the next clips. And what we have done here is to marry what we got and the client's requirements, and we've produced a space which is not just functional, it is aesthetic, and it pays an ode to the biophilic design. So let's get started. The clients approached me with a very clear brief. They needed to house 3 dental chairs in this space, a sterilization room, a consultation room, and a reception with waiting area. They also wanted to have an OPG room. But the real game changer, this space had exceptional air and light flow and no structural pillars which was blocking our design freedom. So we had full freedom of how we wanted to plan this space. So we started by mapping out multiple layout options, and after several iterations, we made a very strategic decision. We positioned all the dental rooms close to the windows. Now, natural light is incredibly beneficial for dental work, so this was pretty much a no-brainer. And the consultation room found its perfect spot near the reception area. The sterilization room became our natural partition, cordoning the clinical areas from the waiting area. Plumbing and electrical are the backbone of any dental setup. They must be planned ahead because they need to be completely concealed, and later making changes or modifications becomes very difficult. Select your dental chairs before you start your clinic design. Every chair has very different plumbing requirements, and the position of the plumbings of these lines have to be correctly done from the start. This is going to save you major headaches later. And I actually have a dedicated video about dental clinic must-haves on my Instagram. You must check that out. The partitions come next, and they are essentially the largest pieces of furniture in a dental clinic. So choosing the right type is very crucial. You can either go for full glass partition, half glass partition, closed partitions. That completely depends on the way you use the space. Now, in this project, we have chosen half wood and half glass partitions. This gave us the perfect balance, privacy when needed, but still allowing light to flow through the whole space. For sterilization room, of course, we went with a fully closed partition since this area is primarily a staff-only space. The cabinetry systems were developed in a close collaboration with our clients. We created a smart combination of shutters and drawers, some progressive drawers, some larger storage units, and even some pull-out trolleys that can be completely extended during dental treatments. The orthodontic room needed a specific dedicated cabinet for to store aligners, and that's what the client had requested. Meanwhile, in the sterilization room, we kept it very minimal and functional with upper and lower cabinets, and of course a loft for storing extra medical supplies that they may have. Now for the design magic. We embraced a biophilic design while keeping everything very beautifully minimal. Color was added strategically. Just the reception wall and the consultation room got the signature touch. The wood tones that we've used throughout the space essentially pays homage to the wood part of the biophilic design, the tree trunks, etc. And it keeps the natural connection very strong. The dental chair colors and carefully placed plants, they carry this little biophilic theme throughout the clinic. Now, the reception area deserved the elevated look. That's the first thing that people see, and that's literally what sets the mood of the entire clinic. So wooden wall paneling, gorgeous texture paint was used, and just to soften the walls, we wanted the place to be inviting, so we've used very soft feeling texture paint. We've also rounded the reception table, and the sofa is in a bit of a curved shape. These soft edges bring both the reception and the sofa a very warm feeling. It feels very minimal, but it doesn't feel cold at all. We've of course added some fancy lights here, just to give that feeling of a lounge when people enter. This is pretty much how the entire space turned out. It was a blend of functionality and natural beauty. The biophilic theme, it creates a little bit of a calm environment for patients. And the smart layout, it ensures the smooth operation of our dental professionals. So if you have enjoyed this video or enjoy watching interior designing, home decor, tips and tricks videos, do consider subscribing to the channel. It helps us reach you in form of this content. Now definitely let me know in the comment section, what do you like? You may not be a dentist, but do you like interiors of this kind? Did we fulfill the biophilic brief that was given to us by the client? We would love to hear in the comments. And if you have any queries and questions regarding how we did this space, what are the things we need to take care of, definitely go ahead and leave us a comment, and I would be happy to help you with that. If you're looking to design your spaces, you need any help with makeovers, residential or commercial, we are more than willing to help you. Details are all mentioned in the description box, and you know the drill. I will see you next time. Till then, happy living.